Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, I have the Series 6 here for the Samsung TV. So this is a Samsung Series 6. If you have any Samsung devices, especially Series 6, this is going to be a tutorial how to fix your TV. Alright, so of course if your Series 6 TV is giving issues, we're having the black screen issue. I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. Alright, so when you have the black screen issue, you might be hearing sound, but of course nothing is shown on the display. So your display might be blank, you're not getting anything from the device. All right, so of course if that is you and you have tried everything and it has failed, do the following to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is to locate where your power button is, and most of these it's usually to the middle. Series 6 is right under here. If you feel it, you'll feel a raise button. It's a slight knob, it's right there. It can be on the right side or the left side as well, and it might even be on the back at either end. All right, so of course first thing you want to do is to, and I'm only demonstrating here, so this has worked in countless other tutorials that I've done, so do try this. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and unplug your TV. So go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall or from the outlet. So do that first. Next guys, once you have unplugged the TV, go ahead and locate the power button as here, and you're gonna press and hold this for about 60 seconds. So press the power button. It has to be a physical power button. It cannot be done on the remote. So go ahead and press and hold the power button. You're gonna do that for roughly 60 seconds. As I said, you can count slowly, and of course once you're finished, let go while the TV is unplugged. And next you're gonna make sure that you plug the TV back in to the outlet. Once the TV is plugged back in, you can go ahead and power up the TV. Alright, so once you power back up the TV, chances are it should show, or it should start back up, and you should get the display. You might have to try this more than once. If that fails, next thing I'd advise you to do is to unplug the TV again and leave it unplugged overnight, and of course just allow it to stay for an entire night without being used, or 24 hours. Then of course plug it back in and try powering it up, and it should work fixing the black screen problem. Alright, so that's the usual method for fixing black screen issues. It applies to TVs and other gadgets as well. Alright, so I'm in this tutorial here. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. And do remember, this is a recreation just to show you how to tackle the problem. Alright, so of course, as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.